In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Minecraft to your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to search for Minecraft download in your search engine, and you want to click on the top link where it says download Minecraft and server software. Alternatively, I will leave this link in the description below. The web page should automatically detect you are on Mac OS, so you want to click on download launcher, and then you want to save it to your Mac, so in this case I'm going to save it on my desktop. If it doesn't automatically detect you are on Mac, you want to scroll down and you want to find the Mac platform from the list of links here. So now we have the launcher downloaded to our Mac, you just want to go ahead and open it up, and you want to simply drag and drop the logo into the applications folder, and this will install the launcher. Once we've done this, you want to exit out of it, and then you want to right click on this hard drive icon, and you want to click on eject Minecraft, or we can go ahead and delete the Minecraft launcher from our Mac. Now we want to go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher, so you want to click on Command and Spacebar, and you want to search for Minecraft, and you want to open the application. It will say it's from an untrusted source from the internet, and you just want to click on Open anyway. This will go ahead and update the Minecraft launcher, and this can take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the Minecraft launcher is open, you'll be prompted with a login screen that looks something like this. So you will need a Microsoft account to play Minecraft, and if you don't have one, you either want to click on create a new Microsoft account and follow the step-by-step instructions from there, or you want to log into your existing Microsoft account. And this does require you to buy Minecraft in order to play it. So once you've purchased Minecraft and logged into your current Microsoft account, you'll be greeted to the home page on the launcher. So in order to play Minecraft on our Mac, you need to click on Minecraft Java Edition, as this is the only available version on Mac. We can dismiss this message, and here you just want to click on play, and this will play the latest version of Minecraft. If you want to change the version of Minecraft, you want to click on installations at the very top, and here you can go ahead and add a new installation, and you can change the version of Minecraft that you want to play. Once you've done this, you want to click on play, and you will successfully be able to play Minecraft on your Mac. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe.